This is the most stealthy looking F-Pace I've seen. In the beautiful metallic black, 2018 68 plate, 21,000 miles. This is the 3 litre S, which has got 300 brake horsepower, full Jaguar service history. Today with the live price in this car is 35,990. It's got mega spec, but it's just the way it looks. And when I said stealth, I mean full on stealth mode. It's fully blacked out, what you would call murdered out. There's no chrome on the car whatsoever, and it looks amazing, absolutely up to date, modern, 4-wheel drive with all the gadget and gizmos. So first of all, your front grille is done in high gloss black. The grills at the bottom also the same in black. You've got the LED style daytime running lights, the full xenon headlights and the headlight washers. It's that front end though, it's such an aggressive front end because it's got a big piece there, it's high up, just looks super cool. But as you go around the side, the first things you'll notice is the air breathers here, the bottom LED front fog lights, and then the huge 22-inch alloy wheels with a matte black finish and a satin black finish. Just behind you, the red Brembo brake calipers there. Side air vents done in black as well. Window surrounds in high gloss black and the sun protection glass. But this car has genuinely lots of extras. But remember, 21,000 miles, still under manufacturer's warranty, 4-wheel drive and diesel 300 brake horsepower. This one's got a tilt and sliding panoramic roof. I know I talk about tilt and sliding panoramic roof in most cars, but on a Jaguar F-Pace, that's the first one I've seen. Because normally they've got either no roof or a fixed glass pan roof. But this is tilt and sliding one. I could be wrong, but it is the first one I've certainly presented. But then I open the doors and you've got this. First of all, the ambient lighting in the door cards. Nice fluorescent in the door pockets, center dash. You've got the big screen media system, which is touchscreen. Obviously navigation, Bluetooth, DAB. Heated steering wheel. You've got heated seats in the front, heated seats in the back. Leather, Meridian sound system, electric seats with the multi-point adjustments, and the illuminated entry kick plates. It's got miles and miles of leather. There's leather on the door cards, the dash, top and bottom. But for me, what a car this is. And at 35,990 for a nearly new 3 litre F-Pace, it's not hanging about for the right reasons. So remember, you've got the heated seats in the back. The ambient lighting carries on around the back of the door cards and the door pockets as well. Fully fitted matte front and rear. But the whole styling, I love the lines because it's got the big fat arches on it. That real big rear spoiler, giving it another nice sporty touch. Twin tailpipes with a completely different rear diffuser, with this being the S model. So remember, it's not the R Sport, it's not the SC or a Portfolio, it's the S model. So everything's a bit more chunkier, wheels, bumpers, interior. LED style flat LEDs, rear brake light system and the LED indicators. You've got automatic tailgate, reversing camera system and a very nice big boot. This is huge again. Dogs, shopping, going away for the weekend, suitcases, put them seats down and it becomes a van, literally. Now don't get me wrong, you shouldn't be buying a £35,000 vehicle and using it to go to the tip-in, nothing like that. But how's that? So you can have one person sat here and put something long through there, or if there's nobody sat in the back, you've just got ample amount of space and it's quite a flat surface. So if you were to slide something in, you'd get it all the way in. That is brilliant. 12-volt sockets everywhere. You've then got this, which is the release, partial shelf, which goes back in. Automatic tailgate. And it's all-wheel drive, and that's what it's all about, the 4-wheel drive. You don't need to do anything. It'll kick in the 4-wheel drive as and when it needs to, because that's what it's all about. As you come inside here, you've got your memory seats there, electric windows and mirrors, and then this here, lovely soft leather on the dashboard as I mentioned, push button start, and you've got a full digital. This is all digital because a lot of them aren't the analogs normally. You can configure that as well to your liking. The heated steering wheel, lane assist, Bluetooth controls, voice control, you've got everything there, but that's super cool on its own, just that bit, because when you change the menu, if I quickly show you something, for example, display, info panel, and you go on map, when you put the sat nav on, the full sat nav gets displayed on there, which is a nice little touch. So here you have the dual zone climate control, the touchscreen media. Another big one is Apple CarPlay. Everyone's always talking about it. In control apps, Android Auto, another one because not everyone's got Apple CarPlay, Apple phones. Reversing camera system in colour with the guidelines just there. Lovely high gloss black finish there. All this is illuminating at night because you can see it then it's brighter. So it is also around the gear. Different drive terrains just here. 2 keys, twin cup holders, and the centre armrest, which is also leather wrapped, lifts up, and there's more cubby hole space there with 12-volt sockets. Here you have your glasses case holder, and as I was corrected, because I call everything Alcantara, it has got that lovely suede headlining, which feels good. Again, good quality, top quality. Everything feels sturdy. You're high up. The seats are sporty because they're bucket style seating, and it's leather again, perforated, but again in good condition. Your panoramic glass roof, if you're not using it, you can press the button and it closes up, but it is a big piece of glass, obviously. Lets lots of light in, so it feels very airy anyway. But if you don't want any light to come in, there's another button here, and the electric blind will close that completely. Now remember, this is not just any Jaguar F-Pace, this is the S model, and that's what gives it the 300 brake power. That's what gives it that aggressive look, a stealthy look. With 21,000 miles on, full Jaguar service history, 35,990. It's absolutely brilliant. Stunning, stunning car. Just arrived. My name's Joe. My name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp. I'll be more than happy to work out the best deal for you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.